Hello everybody, it's Larry East with your weekly bulletin for the week of January 7th. Here's what's happening. The news headlines this week were dominated by the talk of a US-China trade deal. That negotiation is still going on, and the ongoing government shutdown. It seemed like every time something new came about on one of those topics, the financial markets would shoot one way or the other. So there was some volatility this week for sure. The big financial release was on inflation, which is always important for mortgage rates. Anytime you see hints of inflation increasing, mortgage rates are going to increase to overcompensate for that increase in inflation. So we looked at consumer level inflation, which is a good one. This is measured by the CPI, or Consumer Price Index. Now this is looking back at December of 2018 inflation. The headlines seem to be that the inflation drops for the first time in 9 months, but when you look into the report, they were talking about the overall inflation number. Now the core rate, which takes food and energy out of the equation, is a little less volatile and a little bit closer watched. That actually remains stable, slight increase from November, and remains stable on a year-over-year basis at 2.2%. The Federal Reserve has a target of 2% for inflation, so this is right close to the Fed's target and a very nice level of inflation. The news of that did help mortgage rates improve at the end of the week, and overall for the week, mortgage rates were flat, stable, and we'll take it. In housing news, CoreLogic released their loan insight. So this is the Loan Performance Insight Report. This looks at the delinquency rates, and it uses different buckets: 30 days, 60 days, 90 days foreclosure, and looks at how loans are performing overall. Now this was back from October of 18, so this report is a little older, but it did show a healthy real estate market. The level of loans in 30 days or more foreclosure, if we look back to October 2017, 5.1%. October 2018, 4.1%. Huge decrease year over year in that. Every other major category that they look at either remained stable or did improve. So overall, housing market is looking good and still remaining healthy. And that's what's happening for this week. Thank you very much for watching. If you need anything, I'm here to help. Take care.